Hello and thank you for watching another episode of Linux Innovation. In this video, I will be showing you a basic installation of SuSE Linux Enterprise Server 15.5. First, we go to create a new virtual machine, then we click Next for typical installation. Then we proceed to select our ISO image. Click Open. We click Next. Then we type the name of our virtual machine. In our case, it will be SuSE Linux Enterprise Server 15.1. Click Next. We review the actual volume size and we click Next. We customize our hardware to reflect at least 2 gigabytes of memory and 2 virtual CPUs. And we click Close. Click Finish. This will create a virtual machine. Then we proceed to power on the virtual machine. We're going to do an installation, the second option from the menu. Click Enter. Now our hardware components are getting prof. Now we get the wizard, which is initializing the actual installation. This could take several minutes. Speed up the video for the sake of time. Then we get a choice to select our language and the product we want to install, and we click Next. Then we accept the license agreement, click Next. Then we go to the system problem process. Here we type our registration for the SuSE Linux. In our case, we put the email address and the registration code we received from SuSE Linux. Click Next. We click Yes for the actual registration of the box. We take the default extension modules. This will actually proceed and reach out to the SuSE Linux mirrors for the required packages that need to be downloaded from the external repository into the actual machine. In addition to that, the registration server will validate the registration code against the email address as it is registered on their systems. We click Next. We click Minimal for the type of installation. Click Next. We click Next for the default partition scheme. We select our time zone, which is West Coast Pacific time, and click Next. Then we define our first user, in this case Linux Innovation, the username and the password. And let's make sure that this user is actually an administrator on the system. And then we click Next. And we are ready to install. And we hit OK for rebooting the system after the installation is completed. The system will reboot. Our username is L Innovations. Let's type it in. Then we proceed to log in with the root account. And we proceed to shut down the system. Thank you for watching.